Ms. Dilbert here with a free resource for you that is fun and engaging, and I wanted to share with you just how simple it is. So it is called Teacherbingo.com, where we get to create our own bingo cards, and it's free. Hello. So here we go. Creator. We get to choose the background, header, grid size, free space, vocabulary, the number of cards that we need, the size of card, and then finally download. So I love that when you click on something, it automatically populates here so that you can see what your card would look like. Cool, right? I'm going to keep the grid size the same. You can choose if you want a free space in the middle or random or none. So here's how you can use these bingo cards. Maybe you're teaching beginning letter sounds. So you might call out a letter sound and your student or child finds something with that letter sound. So let's click on animals and let's look at a few of these. Here we go. Cute, right? Now, maybe you teach music or science or social studies, math, maybe even a foreign language. If you teach a foreign language, you can say it in the foreign language and then your students have to find it on the card. For these numbers, there's all different ways you can use this for math. Maybe it's just number identification, maybe it's the sum or the difference, or maybe it's the product. All different ways you can use these. So when I click on these, it populates on the card. You can choose as little or as much as you'd like. So when you are all finished choosing all of that, you can choose how many cards you'd like, the card size, and then download. Let me show you what it looks like when you download. Here are a set of Christmas ones I made, and I just made 10 different ones because I didn't need that many, which is so great that it's free, because usually when you get bingo cards and they're free, you get like 4, which is no good when you have a classroom of like 20 or 30 kids. So I think it's really cool that they are all different and you don't have to cut them up and make your own bingo cards and put them in a different order. So this is wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. At the very end are my call out cards. Here it is, call sheet. So these are all the ones that I chose. And those are the ones that, of course, are appearing on the bingo sheets. If I cut these out or laminate, then cut, I can use these for years and years. I can put it in a center. It could just be something that you're doing right before Christmas break. It could be something you're doing while on Christmas break with your own kids. So all different ways to use this free resource. So come on by the Diggity and Mouseph Facebook group, because I find free resources for you every week. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye.